Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here with a Saeco espresso machine, and this was brought in because it wasn't brewing, and what we'd found that water was coming out the hot water wand, but not so much the group for pulling coffee shots. And this is because the pump was working, but not to its full potential. It just couldn't handle the pressure of actually brewing coffee. And so we replaced it, and here it is, working once again, and we'll test it.
They just came out and serviced it last week.
It had some problems on it.
Yeah. Let me see. Let me just check this.
Looking good. It's going to stop at about 2 ounces. And there you have it, Saeco functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like your videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.